Hello there, we're going to go through these steel mace Tyre Slams. Now there's a few finer points to this one. It's not just hammering the crap out of your tyre. What we want to do is start in a square stance, roughly about a mace handle length away from the tyre. And you want to be in an upward thumb grip with a high choke with your hand close to the mace head to start with. So with slightly soft knees, bring the mace head behind you and then lift up above your shoulder, keeping that high choke. Send the mace forward, and as we do, we slide the lead hand down the mace. This is going to give you that extra power and also protect your joints from the thud. So as we do, we slide the hand and then with all our might, slam down. As we do, we drop into that squat. Now if you get the timing right, the mace will bounce up, you can quickly change hands, go onto the other side, up over the shoulder, over, slide and slam, up and over, slide and slam, up and over, and keep going. And if you really want to show off, you can go into those 360s and do it as well. Perform that for the number of reps or time prescribed in your program.